Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to your PlayStation 5. The most reliable method involves using a dedicated USB wireless adapter. First, locate an open USB port on your console, either on the front or back. Insert the wireless adapter firmly into the port. This small device acts as a bridge, allowing your headphones to communicate directly with the PlayStation 5, ensuring a stable and high-quality audio connection for your gaming sessions. Once the USB adapter is plugged in, power on your Sony headphones. Many models have a dedicated power button. Hold it until you hear a sound or see an indicator light. Next, press and hold the small connect button on the USB wireless adapter for about 2 to 3 seconds. Both devices will then search for each other. You'll know they are paired when the lights on both the adapter and your headphones stop blinking and remain solid. After successful pairing, you'll want to fine-tune your audio experience. From the PlayStation 5's home screen, go to the Settings menu, then select Sound. Under the Audio Output section, ensure your Sony headphones are selected as the output device. You can also adjust the master volume here, along with the microphone level if your headphones have one, to ensure clear communication with your teammates. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, troubleshooting is straightforward. First, try restarting both your PlayStation 5 and your Sony headphones completely. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves minor glitches. If the problem persists, move the USB adapter to a different USB port on the console. Also, check for other wireless devices that might be causing interference, such as a microwave oven or a wireless router, and try to minimize their proximity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.